Hello and welcome, dearest. I'm Grandma Mimsy. Today is day 3 of the unboxing of Maniology's box of cheer. To recap, when we opened the box, we got a sticker. Holiday is gnoming. Too cute. Day 1 is a stamping plate of snowflakes. Ooh. This is not available on the website yet. I will update when it is. It is plate number M338. We've updated the nails. Woo. On day 2, we received the limited edition Ice Cube holiday stamper that came in this adorable, helps to have the right side up, stamper and scraper set, which leads us to today's item. And before we do, we'll read from the book. "'Twas a week before Christmas, on an island in the ocean, where Maniology's elves clamored in panic motion. The orders not yet wrapped for Santa's big day, the team pulled together in a miraculous way, with coffee and dim sum and a strong boba teas. The elves worked quickly for their nail community. Today, the third Mani Muse was sick of the cold, so the elves bottled up their aloha for a sweet island glow. Ooh, what do we have for today? Item 3. We put our book back so we have it for tomorrow. Item 3. Sorry for the crinkle crinkle. And it is Hawaiian Botanicals Jasmine. That's a nice jasmine, not too strong. Ooh. That's a nice addition. I do know that this is exclusive to the box. This won't be available on the website unless they get a lot of requests. But that doesn't really change things much. So who knows? We might be able to get them to add this later on. I hope you enjoyed today's unboxing, day 3 of the Maniology box of cheer. Please be kind, and we'll see you tomorrow for day 4. Bye!